They say every car has a soul, but what if that soul had been burned, broken, and left forgotten? Today, we bring back to life a 1991 Mazda 323 Familia, a car that once lay in ashes, charred and abandoned, now reborn into glory. This isn't just restoration, this is resurrection. At first sight, it felt impossible. The Mazda wasn't just rusty, it was burned to the bone. But deep inside, we knew this wasn't the end. Step by step, piece by piece, we began stripping down what was left. Every bolt, every ruined panel, every broken wire, we pulled it apart, preparing for a fight between death and rebirth. The metal screamed under the welder's fire, but with every spark, the Mazda's shape slowly returned. It wasn't easy. It took sweat, patience, and more faith than we thought possible. And then came the magic moment. New paint. From ashes to shine, the Mazda wore its new skin proudly. The burnt ghost was gone. The Familia was alive again. Every car's soul lives in its engine. When that fresh engine roared for the first time, it wasn't just a sound, it was a heartbeat. A promise that the Familia was truly back. Inside, everything was rebuilt. From the seats to the dashboard, every inch told a story of rebirth. Sitting inside now felt like stepping into a brand new car. Step by step, the Familia transformed. What was once scrap now looked showroom ready. The kind of car that makes people stop and stare. This was the rebirth of the 1991 Mazda 323 Familia. If you felt this journey the way we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories where the impossible becomes possible.